Oh, sick. You got it.
Hello, e-bike community. Hope all is well. In this video, the Super73 squad gave me some tips on how to wheelie as we ride through downtown LA to the house that Kobe built. Lakers in Heat Game 6 is today, and I hope LA can close the finals tonight. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are interested in leisure e-bike events, check out our link below. Everyone is welcome. Stay safe out there and enjoy the rest of the ride.
I gotcha. We're going. Three, two, one. Do you think it's easier when you're pedaling?
You know, you gotta pedal a little bit just to get it up.
Okay.
But then I don't know, I think there's still something kind of funky with this throttle.
Is that delay that throws you off?
Hesitation in the beginning.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
That's what kind of throws you off.
Yeah.
Not at the street. Jules. The house that Kobe built, guys. The house that Kobe built. You just take the middle of the street. Switch off this. There you go. I think so. Yeah, front of it. Let's go, Lakers.
And the Mighty Ducks movie came out and all that, so it's kind of like it's fun, man.
Oh, sick. You got it. Mike, you're... Nice. So you're sitting down the whole way.
Yeah, I don't
Yeah.
stand. You don't stand.
Yeah, I think that's my mistake.
You were trying to stand.
Like I'm jumping.
And I got the lock in it, so it's messing up the balance point.
Oh. I'm jumping into it, and then it just flew under me. But yeah.
Practice.
Yeah.
Practice on a slight hill. I think it's easier.
Yeah. But I think those your guys' motor are better too, because this is only a 750 watt. I mean, I'm making excuses.
You know what? On this one, I don't think it kicks in quite till later on.
Oh, okay.
It has like the top end, the low end.
Yeah.
To me, it doesn't have like a bit, good.
Initially.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's a peak output, huh?
Yeah, it takes a minute for it to catch up.
Gotcha. But that's cool. It's nice to know that you can do it on that, because that's what I got.
Yeah. How much battery do you think you used?
It's 4 out of 5 it left, so 1 bar. 20% probably.
No, maybe.
How's yours doing?
25%. Well, that's right around 25%.
Okay, yeah. A little bit, getting there. Sit back. Whoa. You guys saw. Sit back.
You have to adjust your finger, like the back brake. That's how it works with the back brake. As soon as you pump up, you back brake lightly.
You play with it?
Yeah. It's all brake.
But doesn't it kill it?
No. It's you go right on it. You'll get up.
Once you're on the balance, you got to figure out that balance point. It's up there. But I wouldn't do it right here because you might go out of control anyway.
Yeah. So just the back brake, huh?
Yep. That's the trick.
All right.
Like 70-degree angle.
Yeah.
78. Yeah, you're below that, you're way right back down.
The back brake was killing my motor when I just tried.
Oh, yeah. You trying it?
Yeah, I couldn't get the little throttle push. Let's go for it. I need a lot of space for this. I do what we want, bro. I do what I want. Let's play space. Someone's cooking. Something's cooking. That's struggling. Running? Honestly, I just want to go out and exercise, but not too strenuous to like a regular bike, you know?
Yeah.
Let's go for it. 500 watt? Is your motor 500 watt? Or
Yeah, 500.
oh, okay, it's pretty fast for a 500. So what's your top speed?
20.
Really? You were going so much faster earlier. He's working hard, and I'm working. Let's go. How do you guys like the horn so far? If you haven't heard it, there you go. It's 3 in 1. It works as a car alarm, a horn, and a rear LED light. And we got part of the red again. Sorry. Signature move, huh? You don't like eye shields? What?
I've never, even when I ride my dirt bikes or my street bikes, I don't wear glasses.
Really?
Yeah, I just don't like it.
Like the few times I've ridden, there's just bugs, you know? They get
Yeah, I
they
don't
get
know. They don't
close to
bother
you.
me. I just squint, whatever.
Yeah.
I don't mind it.